Hi everyone, it's Bernice from Bernice's Reviews, here to give my review on this very nice electric salt and pepper grinder. And it is electric, so I really like that feature. So I'm going to take the bottom off, press the button, and the salt is coming out. And I do like my salt to be coarse. And I'm gonna show you just what it looks like on these cucumbers. And I'll put some a little bit on the tomatoes as well. Put it right back down here. Put it in the base. Remove the bottom. You just remove the bottom. Push the button. And it's doing the pepper. As I said, I don't need to adjust it, but you can adjust it to be fine, to be coarse. But I really like it. So when I'm cooking, I was using the manual, but when I'm cooking, I don't feel like all that grinding. So I really like the ability to press a button and have it be electric grinding. Very nice. I love pepper and just a little salt on my cucumbers and tomatoes. I may have overdone it a little bit just for the demonstration. But overall, I really like that electric salt and pepper shaker. So, if you were in the market for an automatic salt and pepper shaker and it comes with its own USB charging cord, then this is where you go to get it. And I thank you so much. Enjoy your day.